guys, this is Quentin. This is the microwave I'm going to show you. It has beautiful blue digital numbers, as you can see on the microwave. We got our new microwave because we had to get our old one down. Our old one is taken down because the old one was, the old one, the fan isn't working, so that's why we couldn't cook our food. So that's why we bought a new microwave. The same microwave that my mom likes this. The other one with the digital numbers, a General Electric Space Maker. We're heating up some popcorn, as you can see. You can't use the popcorn button because it will burn. That's why the manufacturer says do not use the popcorn button. I don't know why. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the word "end" will show up. Remember, what to do is open the bag away from our face. See, the manufacturer says do not use the popcorn button. Caution, it's hot. You open the bag away from our face and carry it. Young children should not be prepared without an adult. That's why the manufacturer said. I'll show you. Now it's slightly opened. Caution, the popcorn is really hot. It can burn you. You have to get it to cool down for a second. Yummy. Yummy. Okay. Thanks for watching. Publish this video on YouTube. Check back soon. And take care, everyone. Bye-bye.